Friends, in this video, we learn how to run motor forward and reverse with Danfoss drive. You can see when we press forward selector switch, our motor run in forward direction. When we stop forward selector switch, our motor will stop. And when we press reverse selector switch, our motor run in reverse direction. When we stop selector switch, our motor stop. And for increasing and decrease motor speed, we connect one potentiometer. So let's start video and learn for this connection which parameter we need to set and how to do proper connection. So before we start control wiring, first we learn a function of control terminal. So 61, 68 and 69 for RS485 communication cable. If you want to do any communication, you can use 61, 68 and 69 terminal. Also 12 number point is for plus 24 volt DC. If you do connection in PNP mode, so you just need to use 12 number point for plus 24 volt DC supply. In this video we do connection as a PNP mode, so we use 12 number point. 18 number point is digital input first terminal which we use for forward direction of motor, and also 19 number point is digital input second terminal which we will use for reverse rotation of motor. And also we learn how to program this digital input for any function. 20 number point is ground. If you do connection in NPN mode, then you should use 0 volt supply at 20 number terminal. Also 27 number point is digital input third. 27 is digital input third. Also 29 digital input fourth, and also 33 number point is digital input 5. Total we have 5 digital input. And for potentiometer we have 50, 53 and 55 number terminal. 55 number point is for ground supply or 0 volt supply. Also 50 number point for plus 10 volt, and 53 if you have analog input in voltage form, so you use 53. Also you have analog input in current form, so you just use for analog input reference use 60 number point. Okay, for potentiometer we have analog input as a voltage form, so we use 53 number point for potentiometer reference supply. You just I hope you clear the concept. If you have analog input in the form of current, so you just use 60 number point. For connection we connect one potentiometer, one forward selector switch, one reverse selector switch. In this potentiometer, if first terminal is for positive supply, second number terminal for negative or 0 supply, and third number point is for reference or output of this potentiometer. And in this drive we have 50 number point for plus 10 volt, so we connect a 50 number point in potentiometer first terminal. 55 number point is 0 volt, so we connect in second terminal, and reference of this potentiometer we connect in 53 number point. So you can see here our potentiometer connection is now done. Now for forward and reverse function we use 12 number point because we do connection in PNP mode. So 12 number connector we connect in forward selector switch. Also input connect in reverse selector input point. Both selector input connection is now done. Forward selector output, when you press forward selector switch, so output comes here, and connect in digital input first 18 number point. When you press forward selector switch, 18 number digital input is operate, and when we press reverse selector switch, so we use 19 number digital input second. So for forward we use 18 number point, for reverse we use 19 number point. You can see here our practically connection is now done. We use 12 number point and connect in forward selector switch. Also we connect the input in reverse selector switch. When you press forward selector switch, digital input connects in 18 number point. You can see here when you press reverse selector switch, digital input connect in at 19 number point. And for potentiometer you can see here we connect positive in 50 number point, negative in 55 number point, and reference of potentiometer we connect in 53 number point. So our connection is now done. For parameter setting, now let's learn how to set proper parameter. So first we press menu button 0M1, again press menu button 0 group. By increasing, first we need to enter in third group. So we enter in third group, OK button press. First for minimum frequency 02 parameter is used for minimum frequency of motor, and for maximum frequency we use 3 parameter. You can see here maximum frequency is set in third group, and for reference source selection we enter in 15 parameter. You can see here for reference source selection we set 1 because we use analog input reference as a 53 number point. So potentiometer output connects in 53 number point, so we set 1 for reference selection. You can see here. And for digital input terminal function, fifth group 10 parameter, so we set 8 in this 10 parameter because 10 parameter is for digital input 18 number point. You can see here for 18 number point we set 8. 8 means motor will run in forward direction. For 19 terminal parameter is 11. So in 11 we set 11 for reverse rotation. Okay. So for forward rotation, digital input first we set 10 parameter. For reverse rotation we set 11 parameter. And for motor rotation, fourth group 10 parameter. If you set fourth group 10 meter 0, then your motor run in forward direction. If you set 1, your motor will run in reverse direction. And if you want to run your motor forward and reverse, so you just set 2 in fourth group 10 parameter, because in reverse forward we want to run our motor in both direction, so we set 2. You can see here when you press forward push forward selector switch, our motor run in forward direction. When we stop, our motor will stop. You can see here. And also when we press reverse selector switch, our motor run in reverse direction. And when we stop selector switch, our motor will stop. And for increasing and decrease motor frequency, we use selector switch. I hope you clear the concept how to run motor forward and reverse with Danfoss drive. If you like this video, please press like button. If you have any query, please ask in comments box. For today's enough. We'll meet next video. Thanks for watching.